Today I want to share with you a technique to generate background music for your own videos, for your clients' videos, Instagram Reels, whatever, within just 5 minutes. We're not talking about getting music from a library like MusicBed, Audio.com, Artlist. We're not talking about getting music from the Instagram library, like all the commercial songs and stuff. No, we're using AI to turn a simple, let's say 6-second long sample that you like. Maybe you heard something in an old song, or you just got that small part of a song you want to turn into something new. Take it, give it to AI, and let it create a full song or full background music for your videos. Disclaimer, you might violate copyright laws. You have to keep that in mind. If you take a part of a song and create something new with it, then you basically did a remake or remix of this song, and it might lead to copyright infringement problems. Use this technique at your own risk. Maybe be a bit more creative to get the initial bass part, but let me just show you what is possible, and I think this is definitely wild. Maybe you shot an Instagram reel, short film, and you need some background music. For me, personally, I often have this small part of some kind of song I listen to in my mind, and I want to get a similar mood for my own work. Let's jump right into it. The tool I'm using is out for a while now. It's nothing new. I'm using it for the last, I don't know, like 1.5 years. And I think this might help some of you a lot. So let's jump to this website called Zuno.com. It's basically an AI tool to create music out of a single text prompt. You can enter your own lyrics, or you can just leave everything to the AI and say, create me a 808 trap banger type beat in the style of whatever. And it does it for you in seconds. If you want to get an example, you can go to Spotify and search for my alter ego, Young Sony. So as a joke, I just created a song that's called Yellow Potato about Nikon cameras. So I just wrote the lyrics, put it into the website, and it created this song out of nothing within seconds. We can have a listen to it.
Okay, so you're just telling me you want to shoot our IG portraits on this yellow potato. I'm out. You got a Nikon in your hand.
At that point in time, Zuno AI was at version 3, I guess. Now it's version 4. It's even better with voices and singers and less artifacts. Just crazy. But let's jump into how to create something new from a simple, short piece of sound. For this example, I took Outro by Bushido, who's a famous German rapper. So this song came out in 2003, and there's this really beautiful sample. Let's have a quick listen to it. This part. And to make sure that we're not violating Bushido's work directly, otherwise, I would go to jail. I found out that the original sample is this one, Felix Slatkin Love Theme from The Rope. And as you can hear, this part is the same. It's basically pitched up. We don't care. I just love this violins playing. Let's record this audio. You can do this on Windows directly, I guess. On Mac, you need a tool for it. I got Sound Siphon. I'm sure you find some free tools for it too, to record desktop audio. So the tool needs to record the audio that's coming from your speakers, basically. And this is what Sound Siphon does. So I'm leaving this here, going to Sound Siphon, say record, and hit play. So we got our sample. Let's jump to Zuno and say upload audio. And here we click this button. You can also record audio. You could probably sing some words into your microphone and try to create something new out of this. But we want to use this sample. So we are dragging this file over here, and now we're cropping it. So it's basically 1 bar. I don't think you have to be that precise over here because the AI is doing the job anyway. So let's say save trimmed audio, give it a name, Shido sample, confirm and save. Okay, so now you got your audio over here in your workspace. And now we click extend. And now we need to define the style of music we want to get out of it, okay? Okay, so I'm trying to get a 90s hip-hop laid back type beat. Give it a title again, sample beat, and say extend. Make sure to use version 4 over here because it's the best quality. So while it's generating, it only takes a few seconds, we can go on and try something else. For example, melancholic, cinematic, ambient, background, score, deep bass line. And say extend. And as you can see, the first 2 generations are already finished. Let's listen to them. This is crazy because it generated variations of that violin within that sample. So it doesn't only took the sample and put a beat on it or put a kick, hi-hat, snare on it. It took the melody and its harmonics and created something new. Now it pitched it down at that part, maybe for the verse. Yeah, that's it. Now you can right-click, download, MP3, or wait a minute and get your wave audio for better quality. Okay, let's listen to the other generations. Also nice, but let's try 808, modern trap, 140 BPM type beat. Let's see if we can bring that sample into a different drum pattern, okay? I don't say AI like this is going to replace every producer on planet Earth. Definitely not, but it's getting there. And it's getting there pretty fast. You can still hear some artifacts here and there. Some instruments that this AI uses really tell that it's made by AI. Anyway, I think for background music or small audio parts in your videos where you need a specific mood and you can't find anything on audio.com, MusicBed or whatever, this is a great solution to play around, remix stuff, maybe create your own sample in FL Studio, in Logic X, play some keys, play some guitar, whatever, and this can generate a full song, complete background music, instrumentals in seconds. I think if you don't want to pay for this tool, we can go to credits over here. It's really cheap. The Pro plan I'm currently on is $10 a month and it gives you 2,500 credits. So about 500 songs for $10 a month. You can also go with the basic plan, $0 a month, 50 new credits daily. So you can generate 10 songs a day for free. Just try it out, but take care what you are feeding the AI because you might violating intellectual rights. You can't just record a part of a Taylor Swift song, put it into this tool, and then use this audio on your client's projects, like for a TV commercial. I hope I made this clear, but to experiment, play around, maybe get some background music for your reels. Nobody cares, nobody gives a shit if you use a sample from 8065 and then turn it into something new. Just my opinion, but I'm not responsible for your actions. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tschüss.